Welcome to Believe and Achieve, friends. This is Sonia, and I'm so thrilled to have you here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Together, let's create an amazing community where we share inspiring stories and profound wisdom from around the world. Today's story is about Sarah Chen, a single mother who worked as a janitor in a Silicon Valley tech company and transformed her life to become a successful tech CEO. In the fluorescent-lit halls of one of Silicon Valley's most prestigious tech companies, Sarah Chen once pushed a cleaning cart at 3 a.m., armed with nothing but grit, dreams, and an unshakable belief in herself. As a single mother of two, Sarah's nights were spent cleaning offices, while her days were devoted to taking online coding courses at the local library. She balanced her life on a tightrope of sheer determination, motivated by her desire to create a better future for her children. Every night, as she cleaned the CEO's office, Sarah couldn't resist reading the books left on his desk. Programming manuals, leadership guides, and startup strategies became her midnight companions. She studied them meticulously, filling her notebook with handwritten notes. Then came the turning point. One night, as she cleaned up after a late-night developer meeting, she noticed a critical error on the whiteboard. Without hesitation, she corrected it and even added an optimization suggestion below. The next morning, the development team was amazed. The mysterious correction had saved them weeks of debugging. Security footage revealed Sarah as the mystery solver. Instead of reprimanding her, the CEO offered her a life-changing opportunity, a place in the company's prestigious developer training program. Sarah, however, refused to quit her cleaning job. For 6 grueling months, she coded during the day and cleaned at night, sustained by nothing but coffee and an unwavering determination. 2 years later, Sarah led her first development team. 5 years later, she became head of innovation. And today, 10 years after that pivotal moment, Sarah Chen is the CEO of her own tech startup, valued at $50 million. Despite her success, Sarah hasn't forgotten her roots. Every month, she visits the library where she first learned to code, hosting free programming workshops for single parents. Her old cleaning cart now sits proudly in her office lobby as a symbol of how humble beginnings can lead to extraordinary success. Success isn't about where you start, Sarah often says. It's about refusing to let your starting point define your destination. The takeaway: this story reminds us that determination, lifelong learning, and resilience can transform even the most challenging circumstances. Wherever you are, remember that your journey is valid and transformation is always possible with effort and faith in yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If this story inspired you, please hit the like button and share it with someone who needs a little motivation today. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting stories and wisdom. Every bit of support helps us continue bringing meaningful content to you. Until next time, stay happy, stay peaceful, and never stop dreaming.